That child, Ananta, he speaks beautifully. He knows what these are. He asked me, अलकाताई, हे काय आहे मला माहिती आहे, पण हे काय आहे सगळे, हे काय आहे मला माहित नाही. In English I am saying this. हो, हे पडलं इथे. What is this? I know. This is a shell. But what are these? These I don't know. What are these? The moment he did not know, he asked me. Now that is an extremely good quality in that child, for him to learn, find out knowledge from everywhere, not just in the school, but from here also. He asked me, what he kai ahe? So I could explain to him. If he hadn't asked me, why would I have gone out of mind to understand? By asking a question, he has increased his knowledge, hasn't he? So I could explain to him, these are stones really. Then where is the stone? Now stone they have to understand. Now why do I need a class name? Why do I need a class name? Stone. I could say, what are these? These are stones. What is marble? Marble is a stone. Okay? Right. So I could say, this is a stone. Do you know a stone? He said, yes, yes, I know a stone. It is there in the thing. Okay. Do you know mud? Yes, I know the mud. And this is stone. So this stone, but then he asked me, but the ordinary stone doesn't look like this. So I could tell him, there are many different colored stones. How much knowledge I can give him? I gave him the knowledge that all the things, that ring, that stone in your mother's ring is a stone. This diamond in my earring is a stone. This, all these things I told him, you know my ring, it has got a green stone. They're all stones. But those stones have been polished. Polished means they have been rubbed and things. Like this is a stone. And I have polished this. Then I asked them, go to that table. And what is that table is made of? What is that table made of, that table? And they said, this is also a stone. So just like that, this is also a stone. It has been polished. There are different colored stones. Diamond is a stone. Ruby is a stone. All these things I could say that. And all these are minerals in the earth. Even this I could say. Because that is what they are learning in the book. In the book it is bookish learning. Just words. No really meaning, no really idea, absolutely. But here I could tell them, na? Stones, mud, lava, rock in English, they are stones. And we use that stone to make different things. Here they have rubbed the stones, polished them and made them into pretty looking marbles. So because he asked that one question, and I could tell them that. And then also I could this thing. This is a natural stone. I was explaining to them that shells are natural. Animals make them. Animals, sea animals inside them make these. The stones are also natural. The Marathi word for natural is naisargik. Okay, one of the mothers asked me, what is naisargik? So immediately I told the mother, now you see, you heard me, you heard the word in a sentence, naisargik. Okay, immediately because you didn't know the meaning of it and that you were keen on understanding everything that I am seeing, you are able to ask me. There will be so many times when the child is wanting to know, but you cannot, you also would like to tell him what he wants to know. You also, if you knew what he wants to tell you, you would tell him. But there can't be everything that you know that he wants to know that you can tell him. If he has the ability, what is this? Like she asked me, what is Naisargik? And I was able to tell her. I said that same ability, by giving her language, you are giving it to her. She doesn't know how to write, that mother. That mother is really one of the maids. She's a cook. Okay, but she's a naturally intelligent woman. She's coming here with the children. She's doing what, and she has this intellectual curiosity. नैसर्गिक म्हणजे काय होत आहे आम्हाला कळलं नाही. So I immediately told her, I said, see how you asked me this question? That is because you have language. If you didn't have language, that I wouldn't know what you wanted to ask. You wouldn't know how to ask. That doubt or that curiosity will just fade away. And that happens constantly with your child. Children have so many questions to ask, but because they can't voice them, the mothers don't know how to explain them. So the first thing to do is to give the child, the only thing you can do for the deaf child is to give them speech and language. And in that, for their own development and growth, you have to teach them to ask questions. Teach her to ask. How many questions does she ask? To teach him to ask questions. How to teach the question? Ask them. We ask the question, हे काय आहे, with that expression, हे काय आहे? मला वाटतं हा दगड आहे. मला वाटतं हे, I'm saying this in Marathi. What is this? I've never seen this before. Ask somebody, what is this? Oh, this is a particular flower or a vegetable or a bird or a whatever it is. Like he asked me. He has the ability to ask. हे काय आहे मी नाही पाहिलं. हा दगड आहे. And how much I could explain to him. All this is for comprehension of language. No, developing this. All these things, language and cognitive development go together. There can be no cognitive development without language. Language aids in cognitive development. Cognitive development is not just organic or physical. Language, culture, context has to aid it in a different manner. Okay? Alright, fine.